Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in again. So I'm pretty excited. I have an iPad Pro 12.9 inch and typing on it is really difficult for me because the keys are really spread out, and if you do the split screen it's still pretty uncomfortable. So I decided to go and get a wireless keyboard to go with it. So let me show you what it is. So as you can see, this is how I got it in the mail. The mailman wasn't very nice, I guess, or the UPS guy, but just wanted to show you that. It happens sometimes. But for the most part, it looks sealed. So let's open this and I'll show you what I got. Yeah, this arrived. Yeah, I have Prime shipping. This arrived within 2 days. So wow, it's a pretty nice cardboard box actually. Ooh, it's fancy. Look at this box, it's really nice. I'm not throwing away this box. I think my kids can like repurpose it for something really nice. Look how fancy this looks. So nice, easy instructions. Turn on the Bluetooth signal and connect. Bluetooth is on. Function C can turn on Bluetooth signal. When the light is flashing, the keyboard will stay on searching state within 3 minutes. Okay. And then you just establish the connection. Okay. And there's an external charger via USB. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. And what's this? This is probably the charger. Right. Okay, so in case you didn't know, so I picked this up on Amazon with Prime shipping, and this is from iEGrow. 30-day refund and 12-month warranty. Oh, there's a direct phone number and email address. So that's pretty nice of them to put, you know, all the information here so that it's nice and easy to reach them. Right now, I can see there's a, just trying to open this here. Yeah, it's the USB to micro USB charger. Seems like every device these days uses these chargers. I have a ton of these, so more can't hurt. So let me put these aside. Alrighty. This packaging is really nice. This thing comes in multiple colors. I know it comes in blue, pink, like goldish, orange, and black. This was the default color selected, and I just went with that. So nice magnetic flap here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So it's a dual purpose thing. So it's a case and a keyboard. So your iPad goes here, your keyboard is here, and this is pretty good. This should give the iPad pretty good protection. And then here's the keyboard. So the case itself is blue, but the keyboard is goldish. I don't know, is that coming out in the camera? Yeah. The material feels like, it's like metal. It's like, it feels like the iPad, sort of, I think. Oh, so it's already on actually. It comes already on, guys. Wow. There's a backlight. So supposedly this thing has 7 colors. I'm not sure how to do that yet, but yeah. So yeah, it's good spacing here for me to type.
It's like a regular keyboard.
Yeah, it's like a regular keyboard. It's got a big backspace button. This is very important because I hate those tiny backspace buttons that you can barely find. So that's good. It's got good feel. It's got good feel. You know you're hitting a key. All right. So that's the unboxing of this. I'm gonna actually like sync it to my iPad and do a review and let you guys know what I think. But so you charge it. There's an on and off button. Pretty straightforward. And let me see. Let me just imagine how this would work. So the iPad would probably be something like this, and oh, so the case itself is non-slip. Look, I can't even move it. It's really hard to move. So once you establish the position for the keyboard, it'll hold this in place, and you can't. It's hard to move. So this and this stick together pretty well. Okay, so this will be like a mini laptop. The keys have pretty good travel. Okay, I can definitely see myself using this. So, all right, so this is the first part. That's the unboxing. So far, so good. I'm gonna sync it to my iPad, use it for a little bit, and figure out how to use, like, you know, all the functions of this. Basically, the 7 colors, I guess. There's not much more to it, I guess. And then I'll come back and show you the rest. Okay, I have my iPad in the case. You can see, if you can focus on the ports here, you can see everything is easily accessible. So this opening right here fits perfectly. This opening aligns perfectly. You have the charging cable. Same with the speakers on top here. Power button. So all the cutouts are pretty good. No issues there. You can see here the camera opening is perfect. All right. So as you can see, it's pretty flat. So here's my iPad, here's the keyboard, and the great thing about this setup is the keyboard is not stuck to the case. I can just take it and remove it if I want, like a light setup. I don't always want to carry the keyboard with me, because if I'm traveling or I'm out and about with my iPad, I don't always want this additional bulk. I don't want it to like rub up against my screen and all that. So that's a plus. So let me try to pair this. So you can see it's very sturdy once this is up against the screen. So let's go to my settings. Okay, I'm in my settings. Bluetooth is on. I think they said function C. Oh wow, it already sees other devices. Keyboard, Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. So that's what you want to choose. That was really fast. This is real time. That was like a second. So I'm already connected, and I should be able to type now. Oh wow, look at this. Simple as that. So I'm using Google Docs, guys, in case you don't know. Okay. What else can I try?
Numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let me do caps lock. Okay. Backspace works. Again, I love this big backspace button, because this is probably like the most popular key. Love it. Navigation. Okay, so this is much easier to get to what you want than putting my hand here and saying, okay, go over here. So I really like this part. So Command, Control C, and go down here, Command V. Boom, there you go. It's Command. I like this actually, because I have a Mac for work, and I use the Command button, not the Control button.
But is that the same location as the Mac?
Yeah, yeah.
Weird position?
No, that's exactly where you want it, because look, your thumb can reach it right here so easily. So for you Windows users, tough luck. For you Mac users, this is awesome, unless you've modified your Mac to use the control button. Okay, so this was, as you saw, this was super easy to set up, and it's really responsive. Like, there's no lag at all. There is no lag at all. Like, look how fast that is. There's no lag whatsoever. Let me turn off this other lamp. Okay. Can you guys see the green? Okay, so there's 3 levels. If you hit function and this, off, first level, second level, third level. So you can see, so at nighttime,
the keys lights up.
yeah, so it's just, again, it's like my Mac, which I love. So if you want to switch colors, function. Ooh, red, bluish, purple, kids would love that, yellow, white, darker blue, and back to green.
Okay, hold on.
This is great.
Hold on.
So whatever you feel like, see? You can see the button, the lights down there. So there it is. See it? So that's a pretty neat feature. All right, so overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this. This is exactly what I was looking for. Final thoughts, anything negative about this? So to some, this not being attached to the keyboard may be a negative. To me, it's a positive because, like I said, I don't want to scratch my screen and I don't want the added bulk.
But that's an extra item to carry on.
Yeah, it's an extra item to carry on, so which I definitely don't want, because this is a 12.9 inch. This is already like massive already. Like this needs to go into a backpack. That's how big it is. The other thing is there's not a lot of I don't know how to say this, but there's nothing that comes out and grabs your screen to prevent it from falling out. So I'll have to keep an eye on that going forward. But from what I can tell, it's pretty good. Like, it doesn't come off. It's hard. I can't even take it off without trying super hard to rip it off. So the good thing is it doesn't have that, yet it still seems secure. I'll have to monitor it over time, but it looks good without the stuff blocking it. The other thing is my F2 key seems to be a little crooked, but you know, it does work because I can see it does react. See that? See, I can dim it just like my Mac. I really like this. It's just like the Mac, this keyboard. Again, perfect for Mac users, but
Just hope it doesn't fall out.
still works for Windows users. I mean, this was the only flaw,
The other keyboard seems.
but everything else seems to be fine. And just some facts for you guys. It's a lithium. There's a lithium battery inside, 400 mAh. It takes 4 hours to charge. Standby time is like almost a year, 330 days. That's insane. The battery will last 3 years. The key life, so they're talking about the keys right here. I can have over 5 million strokes before it breaks, I guess. So features: totally aluminum alloy with 7-color LED backlight, elastic comfortable keys of scissor type. I don't know what that means. Maybe some of you geeks out there might know. Ultra light and ultra thin design, very convenient and practical. Agree. Designed for iPad, iPhone, Android, Microsoft, tablets, smartphones, iOS, everything. So I would imagine this works with anything that takes Bluetooth. I'm sure this would work on my Mac. This would work on my desktop computer, on my phone, and everything. Anything that's Bluetooth. This costs $60. I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know where this is made because it doesn't have a sticker on it, but in terms of feel, look and feel, and all that, it feels pretty good. No complaints so far. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, give me some feedback in the comment section and let me know what you think. If you're considering a Bluetooth keyboard for your iPad Pro 12.9 inch and you don't want the added bulk, I think this is a good option because this can come right off and you can toss it to the side or not carry it with you and just have the iPad. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review.